Let me create a one list. So here I have created a list named items. Then I appended 3 items to this items list. So if you want to find the length of this list, you can use alien function. Then the name of the list you have to pass to that alien function. See, it has printed 3. Or if you don't want to use this alien function, you can use the magic method of your list object. So you can call this magic method alien like this, name of the list dot double underscore alien double underscore. See, it just printed 3. So these are the 2 options. So let me create another list. So you can see here I created another list in one line. Then I have called alien function, then passed that list name here. Then this is the second option. So this way you can find the length of your list. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.